Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really useful trick, how to add the 20 EMA to your charts on Tradingview. If you've ever heard traders talk about riding momentum or spotting trend reversals, chances are they're using the 20 Exponential Moving Average. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up the 20 EMA yourself and make your charts much more insightful for your analysis, whether you're day trading, swing trading, or just keeping an eye on your favorite assets. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, you want to start by heading over to the Indicators section on Tradingview. If you're brand new to Tradingview, just look at the top of your chart. There's a little icon that looks like a bar graph with a magnifying glass. Click on that and this will open the Indicator Search panel. Indicators are basically the tools traders use to analyze price action, so don't be overwhelmed if you see a long list of options when you click in. Now in the search bar at the top, type in EMA. EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average, and it's a type of moving average that responds more quickly to recent price changes than the standard simple moving average. This is super helpful because it gives you a more accurate picture of short-term momentum, which can be the difference between catching a big move or missing out entirely. You'll notice that a bunch of choices pop up in the list. Tradingview offers several variations and user-created EMAs, but to keep things straightforward, look for the one simply labeled Moving Average Exponential. This is the official built-in indicator from Tradingview, so it's trustworthy and easy to work with. Just click on it and you'll see it automatically added to your chart, usually as a colored line wiggling along with price. Now let's make sure it's set to 20 periods, which is the classic setting for the 20 EMA. To do this, find the indicator's name on your chart. If you hover near the colored line or check the top left of your chart area, you should see EMA or Moving Average Exponential alongside a little gear or settings icon. Go ahead and click that gear. This pops up the settings menu for the indicator. In the Inputs tab, you'll see a field labeled Length. By default, this is often set to 9 or 14, depending on your previous settings or Tradingview's defaults, but we want to adjust it to 20. Simply highlight the current number, delete it, and type in 20. Take a moment here and make sure you double-check that it's set correctly, because the EMA's length controls how many price candles it averages together, and the 20 setting is favored for getting a clear sense of recent market moves without too much noise. Once you've set that length to 20, just click outside the settings box or hit OK and you're all set. Now your chart is displaying the 20 EMA, which you'll see hugging price closely and painting a smooth path of momentum. This simple line can make a big difference in helping you spot when trends are starting, stalling, or revering. And that's all there is to it. If you're eager to take your analysis further, try adding other EMAs like the 50 or 200 to see how they interact, but for now, the 20 EMA is a fantastic starting point. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you use the EMA in your own trading. And of course, subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides and tips on mastering Tradingview. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.